here, come look out the foolishness, no man.
Get set!
Go!
Well,
Father son, what's up?
they are going to strategize the game, you know what I mean?
Oh man.
As I take up my hand, I say my pass. Nobody know how to play. Nobody know how to play.
I got my sister right here. Over here my stepdad. Yeah, and by the way, I am winning all game. How much we got?
1-1. Only one. Wonderful.
So, I'm gonna say a word. Then you guys have to be quick in coming up with a song that has that word in there. Give me a line. And then if we approve, say yeah, true and real song goes out, we don't want to slick it up.
Well, it's a press buzzer thing or who first?
No man, for two things we have to come up with. So the first person will come up with it. He goes up, then have to jump into the pool, run to the next end, come back, and then touch your next team member. And then we'll do the next word. It's a relay, like a tag team. So it's one at a time.
And everybody can swim. I don't see this doing that, so that's why I ask.
From ear to ear.
No, this is just the coach.
So we ready?
We get the song first, and then she said, "Is that song?"
So the first word.
The first word.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell a ring.
Alright,
Next one for our main team.
Iceberg.
Iceberg.
That's an original. Next word. Couple.
Couple up, man, girl, girl, couple up.
Go.
Don't touch that, yeah, we disqualify. Don't touch that, go, Mister.
Then the next one. Run.
Run, please. Touch that and come.
Remain them really stuck.
Word.
Next word. Behold.
Behold
Riding
now.
like the clouds. Riding like the clouds.
Deep.
What?
Deep.
Deep.
Okay, so Caris, they won the first. Liz them run the first.
So come here.
Second round.
Come
Hold on.
here, team
Somebody
captain.
please, wait there. Somebody please tell me one more song with the word couple in it.
Let me get the phone right. Me have one whole app. I vetted all these words have over
No, only time I want
250
song with
songs.
couple because
No, me just say give me one song with couple.
At
You
least
still wait
team
for the
them
next song with couple in
Liz
there.
team win the first round.
Thank you, guys.
But there's a second round. We don't know how it is now, so.
No, me just still wait for the
Alright,
next song with the
team,
word.
that was warm up for we.
I want just
I'ma
give me
pop
one.
me a couple Zan, pop me a couple Bird, pop me a couple
All right.
Party! And even though I play SEA, can you hear the different pronunciations? Hear the different pronunciations? And the first word is beautiful. Go! So we cannot, no, we have to do a full round, just one more word with two people.
Alright, Mr. Brownie, come.
On the pick up fastest first.
Stop flashing me out. Yes, flash you watching my face. Yeah, aggressive.
And the first word is birthday.
Next word is cake.
What?
Cake.
Now we upon them.
Yeah, say we upon them.
Now we upon them. Now we upon them a song. Now we upon them.
We don't go all the way because the first one never
What?
Somebody need to come down.
Thank you, everybody.
So team. G4 team.
Alright, we're gonna go into another game.
Yeah. We find the next game.
Careful.
I want to look good for you.
We only have one big film, and that's it. Everybody has a walk in the water.
So you're going to raise a we're going to sit up on the stand up on the sideline and watching her.
Alright, no problem. Try to drop the ball.
Come on.
So, me a carry from your route, you don't have to move. You're passing.
If overconfident is a person. I want to set it up. Carry it over there.
On your mark.
Hey. Rami, come on, stop Okay, great. Save your fast start. One more time.
I'm not bad with fast start.
First start is a disqualification.
I'm not bad. I'm just test out my leg then.
Team me have it, team me.
Alright, set it up, Carries.
On the march.
Them like chew me.
Get set.
Hold on. Disturbance.
Them like
G-force.
Can't hear the gun. We can't hear the gun. Someone hears it.
yeah.
Come on, man. Let's
Alright.
And I hear the G-force.
Miss Kana, you know not picky with Omar, you know. Run it up. Aaron, man.
No man, so when the next person goes.
Come on, let's go.
On the march.
See, I come knock out the foolishness, no man.
Get set. Lead it right far. Mr. Rowan Virgo. Hand it off to Ruthie. Go, go, go. G-Force is leading, and it's a war against Mr. And Mr. is creeping up. Mr. is creeping up.
Someone by your nose.
It's a photo finish. We're not sure who the winners are at the moment.
Yeah, man,
So please give us some time to verify with the photo.
One each, man. The team, they need to balance out. We don't say we're ready and everything, you know, but
You know I'm buy some, don't you? You know I'm buy some?
one big transfer market.
One big transfer market. You can buy some. See?
Yeah.
I promise I don't have Corona.
A few moments later.
Yes, you're working on my shot. You eat already?
Where's your ring?
Sit there.
I mean, right now it looks like it's true.
No, sir. Give me, make it sweat little.
No man, I don't know if it is. After like an hour.
Watch out. Just give me Nico. Jesus Christ.
Alright, let me go to put that before rolling up on the car.
Oh, we're ready for race again?
No.
What we're ready? Caris,
We're done.
how has it been?
It's been excellent. I feel like it's my birthday.
Ooh. How has it been, birthday boy?
Can't find my phone.
Come on,
So when it turned up too great, you're just
say, no mention nothing about it. I mean, say, because we're there, right?
Guys, you guys have no.
Who you want down to when they're there right now?
You guys have no humor in you. Come on. I was just kidding.
Okay, it was just a little
You guys
game.
to laugh, but I'm serious right now. But that's it. But it's going wonderful. Yeah, it's been going wonderful. How the so far?
Games.
Breakfast, games. We played some domino, did some running. My team win both games.
No. You know, say, to be honest, I feel like Caris and Ariel should have choose the team leads and then choose the teams. Because they really never fair.
Whichever team wins.
It never fair, Nico. It never fair, no. Cause me, when me choose Nico, you know, My plan say next year I'm going to choose Omar. Because I think Romain would choose a female.
Wait, but the reason why you can't say that when the team just start, you're saying, it don't matter.
I thought me thought, bro. May I say it don't matter against you because I'm not afraid of you. Like I'm not afraid to go. Like me ain't afraid to go against you. As a team leader. But I never expect him to choose such a strong team. Like I saw him as a fair person. I saw you as a fair person. I never expect you to choose one team a man.
We never choose a team a man neither.
Yes, no man, no. At the end of the day, he has first preference to choose.
Brother, I have 2 female on my team.
So I never want him to choose strong.
Ruthie, Sarah.
My plan say
they're on my team. I'm giving first picking
them. Man and 2 women. But then you got 3 man first.
One female was in operation.
What?
Whoa, one female was on.
Yeah, he only chose 1 female. I was planning to choose 2 males and 2 females.
I was the only male on my team.
He was, because Simon wasn't here. Yeah. But honestly.
Alright, let me tell you something. This when the swimming did I go on? Wait. This when the swimming did I go on? 1 female on the team.
So that means.
Couple times I have to call her back to come do some of the thing then. Because I'm best swimmer on the team.
What? We walked. Nico's the only swimmer. What are you saying? Yeah, get over replay. Yeah, Nico, say that again. Nico, say that again, please.
Get on the replay for me now, because
I don't know what he just said.
Then you're only the moderator, the back him side. Yeah?
No, I do not agree. I don't agree.
I'm not sure who the winners are at the moment. So please give us some time to verify with the photo.
Carrie said, sing a song with C. And then, that the time, you know, and we first over there, something she called C, you know. Then, me ask, with C.
She said S-E.
She said S-E.
I never heard that part.
No.
And even though I say S-E-A, can you hear the different pronunciations?
If I did, I wouldn't tell Nico.
Then we finally deliberate and find a song with S-E-A in there. Swim off. Me only hear she sing Simia. I'm not so hold on there. Hold on there now.
That's not that song. I didn't sing.
You might sing a song, man. Simia.
That's not what this.
I can see clearly now. The rain is. I can see clearly now.
See the television part now. When the carries come up and say, see!
The one that's
And then, oh! Okay.
You did have extra, man.
Hey, 6 feet apart when they're talking about the football. Okay, I'm telling you.
Hold on. What? Ariel, you really think we were going to risk I tell you? Tell us what happened earlier. Ari, what happened earlier?
Wow.
But we never want to tell you either because Carrie said get on my case, but you're not supposed to tell people when you do it because everybody I go have that look that like them know. So me say, me not tell them. So hear me now. So me say, but who me tell? You tell them.
So far, everybody wanted to know. They give me a vibe like they know what I'm going on.
Yes.
From Tanisha Farm.
First of all,
I'm about to talk about customs.
First of all, I had to go behind Romain. I had to go behind Romain. I brought a laptop, then Carrie said, "Don't look for me."
I gave her the look for Karen. The party.
No man, when I heard customs talk start, me go behind and me give her a look. Me go so. Fair enough.
Yes. When they go upstairs, you know, I'll tell it, boy, me live up in it. I'm just saying, no. Alright, sorry.
Anyways, guys, Ariel, 1 minute. Come here. 1 minute.
What a serious one.
Hold on.
So we have phone.
I didn't know that.
At this point, it don't matter.
You get a new one, but we're all one there.
At this point, you can cash it away.
No, man. Take off your number then, bro.
That's still a mystery.
So wait, no. Alright, so let me give you one backstory. Ariel, what going on a while ago?
Me and him there talk about Bob and Dennis, no?
Yeah, well, I'm music over there, like
Alright,
No,
and then what?
And then Romain said him can't find him phone. So I said, I'm ring it. And I say, you don't know if it's a ring, you know. But me can do it same way. So, me ring it. And then, it's open, so somebody answered. Some say you find it. And that me say,
No, that's you say.
what me say?
Liz, are you anti-porn?
No, I swear to God, Mr. said Liz find it. So I said, Liz, you find it.
So I rush her and I say, Ariel, wait just a while ago. I was asking if you found the phone. If you just answered, I said no.
Right beside me.
Yo, you know, say,
You never tell me. You told me when I'm prepared. Wait, no, hear me.
Why not act like I Romain the phone?
Wait, it was not part of me. Me want chose, like literally, me want throw that dumpling out of my cup and Tanisha.
make me distracted. The thing about it, like me, I said, and then I said, no, quickly, me, I said, at least wouldn't need to hide my phone cards. It's not like me now, active in a one. You don't do that,
Yo, you wanna try a wallet, you know, you wanna try a wallet, because you come to me, and they say, what was here? Can't find my phone. What you want to try?
yeah, come on, mash up the vibe and make
I started, look at your face like you're sad.
I'm the bigger eater because I know about that, but I'm there calling off the phone and I'm calling off the phone and it was a good time and still calling.
Wait. So, two man walks over to me after the whole Ariel thing because me conflicted now, you know, because after me think me rush Ariel and Ariel got done, me on the ear. Ariel to talk to herself with her phone. You tell Romain say somebody answer it. So me look on Carrie. Me look on Carrie same time come and say I am going to tell Ariel or somebody say, you know, so me not tell Ariel because she'll make it obvious. Get the juicy tea. Guys, how do you feel to be parents? Like seriously. How do you feel? How does it feel to be a dad?
It's the best thing ever,
Trust me, man. Oh my god, look at me. Oh my god, girl, know how to act. He's right there.
A few moments later.
Everybody say group pick. Group pick.
secure the cake, Timon. Secure the cake.
I'm going down, cause you ain't around, baby. My whole world's upside down. We're singing our hearts, our ears.
One hand only. When you hear the time, I want to back away from the table. Miss B, stop. Stop.
Shut the eye. Liz, me can't see Liz.
Alright. You can't see?
Come to me to wear them shut in, come.
That's my baby dog.
On your mark. Get set. Scoop. Yeah, man.
No, man.
Miss B, you can't put the spoon in the bowl, you know. This spoon mustn't touch the bowl. The spoon must not touch the bowl.
No, man, this spoon can't touch the bowl.
Welllll, Shante. Over. Shante,
Nice.
Yeah, Welllll.
Mommy, you're going well, you know? Alright, time.
So all the time we have to come.
Oh, you're going good. You're going good. All of them are fair.
No man, sir, no man, cut this up in this one. What the? Eh? No man.
All of them are upset, mother.
Some of them see when someone like some. Oh yeah. Eh? You take it off and so when someone creep them up and put this up.
put it one side.
Hold on, go again, man.
No, Shante, where Shante own them there?
Miss B window.
Oh, this is yours, you know. But want the bowl is full, so you take it out full.
Oh, we know shot.
Over here we got Nika Brownie. Over here we have Mrs. Brownie, Mrs. Rudy Brownie. Alright, let's do it.
On your marks. Get set. Scoop.
Yeah, okay, I go on good. I trust me, boys.
Nika, shut it down.
That man, right?
Nika, shut it down.
Don't get distracted, too.
Come on,
Go, Nico, you can do it.
Yes, Ruthie.
Ruthie,
Nice.
come
Yeah,
on,
go on
girl.
good.
You know what I'm saying?
Nico.
And you're in the kitchen all day, every day.
So what is it I mean for Nika though? That's my touch of plate.
Nico, let's
Oh, you say me can't do it?
Yeah, no. Don't
Listen me, man.
Thank you, Ruthie. That's it, Ruthie. Good.
Whoa,
Nice,
Ruthie.
nice,
Wow.
nice, nice.
Yeah, Nico.
Yes, Ruthie.
Never go little faster.
Nice. Yes, good strategy.
10 seconds, guys.
Nice. Go again.
5, 4, come, Nico. 3, 2,
Nico, let's not touch your plate.
time. Stop touching the plate.
You want good, Ruthie. Hello, put on them there.
I feel use some strategy while I go, man. But no, some of them feel it.
Me and man said, hey, I'm going to use some strategy. It's all right.
11 for Ruthie.
7 for Nico.
But I say you know some good husband.
7, 11. Yeah.
I can't mash up my wife in a competition like this.
I too, man.
Ah, sir. It wouldn't look good. It wouldn't look good.
Romania, some
We have the same thing
learn
too.
a man.
Exactly.
Romania, some learn.
I go back home and say, honey, me sorry. Me go home and apologize. Me alright.
So it's our final day on this trip, and the girls and I, Liz, gonna take a little swim before we leave out. Well, a little dip. This is their first time in the pool. We're gonna see how they react to that.
Cool.
Morning. Hi.
Yeah. Hey. 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 Okay. So you wanna get in? Say hi. I'm swimming. Daddy can't swim, but he's teaching me. Tell her. I normally, like when you're home, and then I bathe, Raina would have been the one that splash in the bath. Not so much Emma, but Emma splashing at this. I understand how I'm going. Personalities are change. Right? Now put her down and see if she'll do the same thing. See?
That's right.
So you're the pool splasher. And Raina is the bath splasher. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Nice.
Like the way she has up.
Yeah. In between.
You know, do not mean
Serious splashing.
No.
Can't hold on to baby.
yeah.
Work it. Work it. Yes. It's too cold.
It's okay, mommy. It's okay. You ready to go in? Yes. Alright, let's do this. Let me see if she'll go stay up.
Look at this there.
Can't let her go in.
She look a bit afraid, baby. Alright, let me put it back. Let me put it on her waist and let her go. Hey, Baba.
Around her waist.
Hold on, hold on. She put her face down. You shouldn't put her face down, my baby. Do this. Do this. I see what they meant though. Like feeling secure around them. Yeah.
Yes, and the baby's walking. Yeah. Yes. Come now, baby. Cross the line, baby.
Yes, move your legs, mama.
Move those legs, baby.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Yes, mommy's gonna let you go now, okay? Look, look at her, mommy. Mommy, mommy.
Look at sister.
Wow, she's
Oh,
doing it.
baby, I'm so proud of you.
Look at sister.
Nice. You're brave. She's ready enough for swimming lessons.
Right. Let's bring in the sister now.
Yes.
Mommy, say when I get the cool water there. Are people drinking?
Not even drink, me not drink. Me said drink no cold water, then I'm going to
Raina, look. Emma. Emma, look. That's it,
You can do it. Look, you do it.
yeah. So that was a good little vibe with the girls in the water. Whoa, I'm not see myself. Is this a silhouette? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, what a good little vibe. The girls in the water a while ago. Now we're gonna have some breakfast before we leave this place. Alright. So if we change the girls first, we'll come get some diapers and thing. Okay, listen up everybody. After such a wonderful birthday, the most I could do for you guys is pay for breakfast. So you don't have to pay for breakfast, right?
Thank you, man. You didn't have to do it, but you did it.
Yeah, I did. So how was your stay?
Oh, my stay was wonderful, man.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah. Wish I didn't have to leave, man.
It was good enough.
Was good?
Yeah.
You had fun?
What was good about it?
Why may I tell you though? Hey, karaoke night and last night. The party. Yeah.
Alright, now food was good too. And it look like one of you them can't open.
No man, I'm tired man. Them 3 o'clock bedtime, they are terrible bedtime man. But you know?
It was good?
Yeah, it was good.
Ariel, come on, talk to me.
What's up?
What was the trip?
It was wonderful, a fabulous time with wonderful people, great energy, good vibes and all these things.
Jesus.
But you will see that.
Ariel Chronicles. Awesome, how was the trip, man?
Yes, sir.
Was good?
Pretty good.
Wonderful. Enjoy yourself?
Oh, beautiful.
Nice.
When next year or the year after?
Yeah, do it again.
All right.
All right. How was the trip? How was your trip? How was your trip? All right.
We're carrying your bags, okay?
Listen, bye.
Thank you.
How was the trip?
It was awesome. The food was the highlight for me.
Yeah.
And the staff on property.
Yeah.
I want to big them up. Miss Barbara, big up yourself. You don't know.
Every time, Miss Barbara.
You don't know you're large. Yeah. She's also a twin mom, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Miss Barbara is a mother to twins, and our twin them are adults now. And they're in the medical field. They're doctors.
How beautiful
So
is that?
big up yourself, twins. Your mom is very, very proud of the two of you.
All right.
Thank you, Liz.
Just want to respect for the hospitality. It was good. Really appreciate it. See?
Nice having you all. And make sure you come again.
Definitely, fam. Definitely. This is the chef, you know. Me I tell us, he take care of we. Hey, the food, excellent. We just want to say big up yourself every time, chef.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your hospitality. Thank you for the wonderful food, and you know we just give thanks. Bless up yourself, all the love every time. See?
Yeah, man. Respect, sir.
All right. So, Miss Barbara.
Yes.
We just want to say thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you for the hospitality and everything.
You're welcome.
Miss Barbara is also a twin mom.
Yes. And I just want the picture with the baby there.
Yeah.
The girls them. Yeah.
So she wanted to take a picture with the twins.
With them,
You
yes.
can go and get them, mommy.
See, they're my babies, you know.
I know, don't she even feel like Alright everybody, you don't have to go home, you know. You gotta leave.
Thanks for having us. Thanks for having us.
Yes, sir. Come back again next time.
Have space, can hold my tail.
See you next week. So right about now we're about to leave this property. It was great. We had a wonderful time, you know, and we have to go now. So, VirgoNation, keep it locked. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We're actually heading to my community where I'm from right now, Stepney. It is gonna be beautiful there, even more beautiful there. To see the hills and that's a vibe. If you know where I come from. So, stay tuned.